What up, y'all? I know everybody loves these unboxing videos. Why, I don't know. It's a thing in a box. So, got Jackie's new amp in today for the Rogue. We're going to try it out. We done had the XS 8K, the XT 8K. So now we have the BMF 8K. So, we're going to try this beast out, open it up, and see what we got in the box. I'm hoping it's a BMF 8K. Kind of makes sense, huh? You'd think. And we open it up, and it's a box in a box. So we got another box. And we open it up, and it's another box in a box. Box 1, box 2, box 3. It's a box. All right, so this is definitely a completely different amp. The 8X or the XS and the XT both look kind of familiar. One was just a little bit shorter, but this is way shorter. According to Crossfire, it's about 10 and a half inches shorter. You got Allen keys. For you old young cats that don't know about this old stuff, it's called a telephone cord or the bass knob. But back in our day, we had to use it for this thing called a phone that went on a wall. And we got bass knob with power and clipping lights. Yeah. You guys that know me, yeah, we know where the bass knob goes. We don't use those things around here. We just want the beastie. Sorry, I have to keep pausing because I'm by myself here to try to film this. But big Crossfire logo. But here's something dope I just kind of noticed. It looks like this panel is removable, so it could possibly do some dope acrylic stuff. Barnaby, if you're watching, Mr. Lange, some dope acrylic light up stuff or something cool. Not sure. I have to pop that off later and find out. Probably void the shit out of my warranty. But yeah, typical 3 sets, 1-out inputs, the same layout as all the others, with the one backwards one, 12 volt. Well, they can ground, so as always with Korean amps, watch out hooking them up. BMF 8K, baby. It's a sexy beast. I do like it. It looks to be wider than, it might not be wider. It's definitely shorter than the XTs and XSs. It sure as hell ain't no lighter, though. It's a thick boy. And now, time to fully void the warranty and check the guts. Let's see what we're working with. Here at the back side, you got the fan, BMF 8K, 16 volts, so I'm not sure if this is good up to 16 or up to 18. We'll have to check the manual and see. But for you high voltage guys, this looks promising. And let's pop the top on this clip. Well, that's not good. A little tight on that fan clip, so be careful. Holy crap, caps. Absolutely a completely different layout. You got the Tiffany RCA still. On this side, sorry it's upside down, but Power Protect clip light, crossover, the usual suspects are all there. I do like the little feng shui of the wiring there. That's kind of dope. Kept that looking pretty. Big coils, and they crammed a lot in a little package on this one. So, let me get this beast hooked up in Jackie's car on a pair of DD9912s, and we're going to see what she do. I'm going to give it to Beans.